Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Daily Crypto Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is an even time, drive time update, guys. And we got a huge update for you today, guys. Wow, it's going to be a barn burner of a video. Let's dive into it, guys. We got Raoul Pal. He's going to expose his predictions for Bitcoin for 2022. This is huge news. We got some Walmart news. Walmart might be aping into crypto, and they might be building right now in front of our eyes their own cryptocurrency, guys. So this is huge for Walmart, guys. And also too, we're going to also talk about Fidelity is also predicting where Bitcoin is going to go, and it's looking pretty good, guys. A lot of people have been saying that we could expect a big giant crash of Bitcoin down to like $30,000. I don't believe that right now. At this particular point in time, I don't believe that. We're seeing that right now the whole crypto market's down about 1.5%, guys. I don't think you need to worry about it. Remember, it's a holiday in America, guys, and this is just normal, guys. It's not a crash. People saying, oh, 1.5% is a crash. What are you guys doing? Wake up. Stop being Debbie Downers out there. Smell the coffee, guys, because somebody's not smelling the coffee, because 1.5%, and you guys are panicking, guys. I talked about Matus Dow earlier today, and Matus Dow is up, guys. When we talked about it was at $88, and now it's close to $300, if not over $300 today. So if you had bought that at $88, you'd be up around about 250% right now. So if you aped into that, congratulations, guys. So don't forget, this is not financial advice. This is just the OG in the house expressing opinion, and I'm not a licensed financial advisor, guys. So we got lots to talk about. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, the Paul Raoul predictions. We got Walmart. I told you about that. We're also going to talk about some TA that tells me that the bottom is in and Bitcoin is going to go uppity up like crazy, guys. We're seeing that Dogecoin and the crypto markets are kind of down right now, but it's Monday, guys. It's a holiday. Wake up, guys. A little bit of a correction. It's not even a correction, guys. It's basically more sideways action, guys. So what are you guys waiting for? Jump into the content. Remember, go down there, smash the likes right now. Smash it like crazy. And don't forget to subscribe right now. Subscribe, BYB. Don't forget to comment. This is OG, the Ric Flair of crypto in the house. Woo, let's get it, guys. All right, guys, let's jump into the content without any further delay, guys. And let's jump in. Don't forget to go back and watch all of my previous videos. Life-changing, good news, huge signal flashing, guys, for the Doji Woji and also other cryptos, guys. So this is in right now. We're seeing that the top 10 mentions on Twitter in the last hour, ladies and gentlemen. We're seeing that it's Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Cardano, Ethereum, Solana, Phantom, Olympus, Harmony, Dogecoin, and Request. And we're seeing that a lot of people are talking about Shiba Inu, and a lot of people are talking about Cardano, because Cardano has released the Sunday swap. It's still on its testnet. It's still on the testnet. So just be aware of that. It's not like the final thing, the final countdown. It's not the final thing by any chance or any stretch of the imagination. So just remember that when you're going on the Sunday's swap, which is running on the Ethereum blockchain. It's not the final product, so it could be buggy. It could be buggy. Could be buggy. And we're seeing that BTC and all of the crypto markets are slightly down now. It's down about 1.5%. This is not a big deal in the house. Absolutely not a big deal in the house, guys. So don't panic. And we're seeing that BTC is down slightly 0.5%. We're seeing Ethereum is also down, guys and gals. It's Sunday. It's Sunday. We're going to see that the volumes are down, and so don't worry about it. It's Martin Luther King Gates, and this is not a big deal in the house. And we see that right now the total volume is, as I said, super low. It's at 50.55 billion in the house. So that's really light, guys. And we're seeing the market, the total market cap is holding pretty steady at around about 2.11 trillion. So nothing to really worry about. Bitcoin dominance is coming down, of course, as always. Some big news that's coming in right now. Raoul Pal unveils his 2022 predictions for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and he says that the crypto sector will explode this year. Now, a lot of you, often believe, after each halving, we have 4 years, and usually we have, consolidation, then we have a final run-up, right? And then after the final run-up, then we go back to consolidation, Debbie Downer stuff, and then we do halving again. So basically, out of every 4-year cycle, we have one good year, and the rest can be kind of consolidation or slightly going up. So a lot of people are still thinking that, we're running and moving in these traditional 4-year cycles. I don't believe that, and I know a lot of Bitcoin maxis or a lot of people that have been in this space a long time. They believe that this is it, and we're gonna see Bitcoin going down. Gonna give my coffee. And a lot of people saying, "Oh, Bitcoin's gonna go down, and that's it." And da, da, da. But a lot of people like me, a lot of the TA and Paul Rao, Gotta get the coffee, guys. Believe that Bitcoin is going to be going up like crazy, guys. So, what he's saying is he just revealed in a new Real Vision Finance interview. Powell says if favorable microeconomic conditions toward the end of the year could push Bitcoin and Ethereum to above $100,000 and $10,000 respectively. In 2021, I talked about it. A lot of people in the space talked about it. We had some kind of Debbie Downer events, and we had this whole China thing, and we had this Evergrande thing as well that caused everything to come down. So I believe this cycle has been extended. The $100,000, $10,000 Ethereum is still incoming, guys. It's just a matter of time. So I believe that we're going to see a huge run, and we are seeing some coins actually going up. We're seeing Phantom going up. We're seeing Meta's Dow going up, and Phantom is getting pretty close to all-time high again soon. So, Dragon, if you're watching this, brother, you should be happy. Hats off to you guys. Gotta get the coffee. It's been a long day, guys. I'm a little bit sleepy. So, Dragon, if you're watching, you're probably having a laugh right now because Phantom is going uppity up. And I aped into Phantom. I did ape in Phantom, and Dragon didn't tell me. Remember, this is not financial advice, guys. Remember, you got to do your own risk management, guys. And we have other members who got into Meta's Dow early, and they're up like 400% right now, so that is really cool. So here's the big news. Walmart patent filings suggest metaverse plans and NFTs and native tokens could be coming out soon. So Walmart has made several patent filings in December related to metaverse. The patent filings relate to virtual goods of various kinds that could involve NFT and virtual currency. So remember, we did have that whole FUD that Walmart would be releasing its own coin, and that kind of came out, and we realized that was a fake news in the house, guys. So, but this looks like this comes at a time when several major companies outside of crypto space are launching similar metaverse initiatives. So it looks like that Walmart could be launching metaverse, pay to play, and NFTs, and they could be looking at their own virtual currency, guys. So this is kind of interesting. This is kind of cool in the house. So it looks like they did file some U.S. patents, and this could be, and that includes the implementation of a full currency and NFTs, guys. So that is part of the whole filing. The arrival of a major chain like Walmart into the metaverse highlights the favorable surroundings the space right now. So we're seeing a lot of people aping into it. Companies like Meta meaning Facebook, because they changed their name, right? Microsoft are allocating resource towards this new virtual world. And I think this whole new virtual gaming world and metaverse could be huge, guys. We could have like virtual like supermarkets, NFT supermarkets, and all that kind of stuff. So it's really interesting. So what's next for metaverse? The sky's the limit, guys. Absolutely, the sky's the limit. Some other news before we get into the Dogecoin, the huge Bitcoin news, right? So Fidelity expects more sovereign nations to acquire Bitcoin this year. So Fidelity Digital Assets, a subsidiary of Fidelity Investments, it published a report revealing that it expects more sovereign nations to be aping into crypto. And the report discusses countries like China that have banned cryptocurrency, countries like El Salvador took the opposite stance, where it's now become legal tender. And we could see more and more sovereign nations basically buying up the Bitcoin. And we could also see, Tonga has already declared that they're going to be looking at Bitcoin to become legal tender. We could be seeing Turkey making some moves. We could see Argentina making some moves, and a whole bunch of other stuff could be happening soon. So this is really huge in the house, guys. So we're going to definitely see more and more sovereign nations aping into Bitcoin, and that's what gives me, more confidence and more credence that we're going to see Bitcoin going up. We're going to see Dogecoin going up. We're going to see Shiba Inu going up. So this is from Matthew Hayward in the house, and what he's saying is that the 3-day MACD has not crossed yet, but it is getting closer. And this is often a very bullish sign. So when we get the MACD crossing, this is often a very bullish sign. And the MACD structure looks very similar to its previous bullish move ups to all-time highs, followed by a big correction, guys. So I will update you if this 3-day MACD crosses. So the MACD structure looks very similar to previous bullish moves up to all-time highs, followed by a big correction. So this is where we had the MACD crossed here, and then we had a 1, 2, three impulse, and then we went down. So we could be seeing ourselves, crossing, having a big impulse to the upside, and then taking Bitcoin above $50,000. So it looks like it could be incoming, guys. And this is from Plan C. He's saying, I will become a bear when the Bitcoin data is aggregate bearish 50%. So at this point, the BTC data is aggregate is around 60 to 70%, and bullish only 30 to 40%. So he's still being a bear. He's still being bullish. I'm still pretty bullish on Bitcoin. I don't think that we're going to see a huge crash coming in yet. So market net position, BTC indicator, at all previous tops have hit the 070 to 071 level, and currently we are at the 055 level. So typically we see tops above the 070 to 071 level. We often see that, and right now we are still, in my opinion, we're still pretty much in a bull market zone, and this is so we're heading up into the bull market zone. Right now we're in market confusion zone. So that's why a lot of people are saying that no, the bottom is here, we're going down. I still think that we are definitely going to be going up soon, and I believe that Bitcoin is definitely going to be going up, guys, and I think that we're going to move into the bull market zone soon, and we're not even close to the market top, guys. We're not even close there, so I wouldn't panic about anything in the house. So I know things are looking pretty gnarly. So this is from Yuri. He's saying that if you look at the Bitcoin 1-day hourly candles, we can see right here that we have a rising wedge, and this just fuels more absolute proof that we could start to see Bitcoin breaking out and going up to $50,000 in the house or more, guys. So this is looking pretty bullish, and this is on the $200 EMA, guys. So we have this rising wedge, and this is on the 1 hour candle. So I'm looking pretty bullish, and this confirms that we could be seeing $45,000, $50,000 incoming for the biddy. So this is from BTC Fuel, and what he's saying is that Bitcoin has 4-wave pattern that happens every cycle. These 4 waves are demand waves and happen when a lot of money flows into Bitcoin in a short time frame. The 4 waves are clearly visible in the realized cap hodler mode. So right now we can see that Bitcoin often completes these 1, 2, 3, 4 waves, then it goes down, 1, 2, 3, 4 waves, then it goes down, 1, 2, 3. So according to this, we are not even in the 3rd wave, which is a fake top, and we're not even close to the cycle top, guys. So that is cool news in the house, guys. It's absolutely bullish news in the house, guys. So you should be loving it. I'm loving it. I believe we're not even close to the cycle top yet. What do you guys think? Smash the likes, comment. I still believe that we haven't even seen the fake top yet, and we haven't even seen the cycle top, guys. So that is cool beans in the house, guys. Let's take a look at the fear and greed index. Let me just give that a minty refresh. So the fear and greed right now is at 22, so it moved up from where we are yesterday. This is a contrarian indicator, guys, so I still believe this is a good buying opportunity. Coffee time! So I still believe it's a huge buying opportunity in the house, and you should believe that too, guys. So let's take a look at Bitcoin on a weekly right now. So the good thing is yesterday we did print for the first time in 2 weeks a Bitcoin weekly green candle. So that is pretty bullish. Right now, Bitcoin is trading at 42,825. I believe that Bitcoin is going to head up to 50,000 pretty soon, and I believe that we have not even seen the cycle top. We have not seen the cycle top. We've seen lots of fake outs. We've seen, we have seen a bit of a Debbie Downer correction. But right now, I still believe that we haven't seen the cycle top. We're looking at MACD. It's green right now, so that is looking pretty good. I believe that we're going to see a huge reversal for Bitcoin coming in. And right now, we're seeing that Bitcoin, as in the past, has definitely broken out of its descending triangle here, and often this is indicative of a breakout to the upside and a huge pattern. So we're seeing right now that Bitcoin has broken out again, and it's going sideways, but you can see here it went sideways here in September. It went sideways for almost 2 or 3 days from September 29th to around about October 2nd before we had our huge breakout. So I believe that we are still looking pretty good, and we can see here, if we move my face out of the way, if we look at these cycles here, we can see that the RSI just before it broke out, it is in the same, pretty much the same pattern as now. Before it broke out, it was about halfway in the RSI channel, around about halfway. We're seeing the same thing here. So this really confirms to me that we're going to see Bitcoin break out. I haven't given up on the Bitcoin. You should not give out on the Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Doji Woj in the house. So Doji Woj is, in my opinion, it's still in this bull flag. I still believe that we still have time to break out to the upside. We've got some huge support around about 16.5, and Bitcoin is holding, Dogecoin is holding pretty strong at 17 cents. Let's take a look at Shiba Inu right now. So Shiba Inu has actually broken down, guys. It's broken down, so that's not looking good for Shiba Inu, and it's at 29.46. So we did have this support line that was going up. That's now been invalidated, and then we did have this huge ascending triangle that I did paint here. So it did retest and go up to the upside, but it did get rejected. So it looks like we're still, going in this general direction here, and it looks like we have some support. Our next level of support is around about this level. Around about here is our next support level. So it seems we have some support around about the 29 area. So hopefully that support zone will hold. If that holds, the support zone does not hold, then we will see our next support zone around about this level, around about right here. That is our next support zone, around about 26 in the house, guys. So let's keep an eye on Shiba Inu. It's not looking too good right now. So hopefully we'll see Shiba Inu break the upside. I'm hoping it's going to do that. So if you look at the Ethereum right now, Ethereum is doing okay. It broke down from my support level a little bit, but I believe that in the next couple of days we're going to see that Ethereum is definitely going to break the upside, and it's trading at 3269 right now in the house. So I think we're going to get back in this channel. Maybe even maybe by tomorrow we should be back up there. I'm not worried too much in the house. Also, if you look at Phantom right now, Phantom did it hit its all-time high is around about $3.69. We saw Phantom today go as high as, let me just get that for you, as high as $3.38. So it's getting pretty close to its all-time highs. So hopefully, let's hope that Phantom can make some moves. I think it will. Phantom, if you look at the total TVL lock right now, Phantom is looking very cool and very bullish. And the total amount of TVL locked is around about 7.66 billion. And it's up almost 9.33% in terms of TVL lock right now. And if you look at the market cap to TVL locked, it's also looking pretty undersold right now. So I think that Phantom is looking pretty good. And this is not financial advice. If we look at Solana, let's take a look at Solana right now. Solana has been breaking down for quite some time now. It's been breaking down since almost November, and it's just been going down, down, and it's got this whole downward channel that's been going down since November, and it looks like we got some support around about 100 and around 140 in the house. So hopefully this will act as support, and we could get a reversal. But right now, I believe that if you look at the TVL for Solana right now, if we look at Solana right now, it's got 9.393 billion in total TVL. But what really concerns me is the market cap to TVL right now. It's kind of oversold, and that's why we're seeing that Solana is going down, because it's oversold right now. We're seeing people taking profits, and we're seeing the hype is kind of dying down. So it's kind of settling down to what I think is its real pricing. Once you remove all the hype, you're seeing that right now I think Solana is oversold. So we need Solana to lose a little bit of its TVL, kind of settle, and then we're going to start to see the bounce to the upside, guys. So that's what I think is going to happen. So let's take a look at the coins in the house. This is Metas Dow. Metas Dow is looking pretty good today. Metas Dow is up 1.84% in the last 24 hours, and it's up a whopping 543% in 90 days. It's up 345% in 30 days. So that is huge, guys, and that's looking pretty good. So I'm pretty excited about Metas Dow, guys. And if you guys were able to get into that early, you guys will be making bankety bank bang. We're seeing right now that Bitcoin is at 42,946. I think we will see $43,000 coming in. We're seeing Ethereum right now is at $3,277, and that is down 1.54%. We're seeing that BNB right now is down 2.3%. That's at $485. We're seeing that ADA is on fire right now, and it's $1.54 in the house. Now remember, guys, that we had this Sunday swap that got launched. Just be careful that this is not a case of buy the rumor, sell the news. Buy the rumor, sell the news, guys. So just be careful. And this is what the Sunday swap looks like. It's a decentralized exchange for Cardano ecosystem. It's still on the testnet. It's still on testnet right now. If you don't believe me, go to testnet.sundayswap.finance, and it's still definitely on the testnet. So they might be a little bit buggy and a little bit hokey out there. So just watch out. Be careful that you guys don't get caught in this whole buy the rumor, sell the news, and that we could see a big tank for ADA. And if Sunday swap doesn't work out or it's too buggy, it could tank ADA. So just be careful out there. Be hugely careful. Do not be overly optimistic with ADA right now, because that is still in a testnet phase, guys. So we're seeing that Luna right now is also down 4.73% at $82. We're seeing DOT as well as at 26.86. We're seeing Doji Woji right now is at 17. That's down 6%. We're seeing Avalanche down as well, 4.34% at 89.57. We're seeing Matic is up 2.9%. That's at 240. And we're seeing that Shiba Inu right now is dropping. It's in the 14th spot right now on Live Coin Watch, and it's also down 4.02%. It's at 29. So Shiba Inu is not looking too good right now in the house, guys. So that is what that is, guys. So don't forget to on Twitter, guys, absolutely follow, and get the tips, get the tricks, guys. Go down there, smash the like, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. And also check out my links down below. Check out the links, guys. Get it while you can. Don't forget to go and check the Wifey's channel. Go do it, guys. Absolutely go do it, and smash the likes and subscribe on over there. And don't forget to go and check out the merch gear with the OG merch, guys. And we've been having a busy weekend. We got this whole charity weekend that's happening. We've been giving stuff out like crazy. So we're preparing a video. That video is probably going to come out sooner than later, but it's tiring. So guys and gals, we're going to say God bless each and every one of you. I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Smash the likes. Be with God. Love everything you're doing and make every second count, guys. I love it. You love it. Crypto is not dead. Crypto is definitely going up. You're going to love it. I love it. Let's get it. Woo!